All right, so Chuck, here you go. Got the bed at 65C, so right in between 60 and 70, like you were thinking. Indicator rigidly mounted to the printer's frame. Right now, the indicator is just off of the surface. I didn't want temperature affecting anything on my indicator while it was sitting there and acclimating and stuff. So I'm going to adjust this thing down now till she. Oop. All right. Till she touches the bed. Oop. Trying to zero this thing is sensitive. I really need like a nice Noga or something. Zoom in here. I'm gonna call that close enough because I got shaky hands. Get it a little closer. Come on. I'm calling that good enough for now. Okay. So, kind of keep an eye on this here quick. Make sure it isn't fluctuating around too much. Just sitting still. Temperature on the bed seems to be, stable. All I've got is 1 decimal point or no decimal points on here to go off of, but it hasn't been fluctuating off of 65. So I'm gonna crank it up. Come up here, and you can watch it. I mean, even before I could bring the camera up, it was moving from when the mains bed heater kicked on. So I've done 3 tick marks. Each one of those is 5 10,000. So 4 of these would be 2 thou or 0.05 millimeter. So there we go. We're at 2 thou. Kind of same thing I was seeing on the other one. I'm gonna turn off the heater. So now I just turned it off. Down she goes. Make sure you're seeing there's no funky business, no touching the frame, no anything like that. Yeah. Kind of seeing the same thing, and it doesn't take long. This is PEI on glass. The bed material isn't that thick. This is only 1/8 inch thick aluminum, not cast tooling plate. So there are things that can be done better, but cooling back down now. You can actually see it has swung the other way. So I definitely think there's something to it. Not saying I know everything, but I think that there is something to be seen on this.